Chris Chenok here for Insight Media. In the iZone, we're looking at some micro-LED products. We're looking at this research institute here. It's Korea Institute of Machinery and Materials, KIMM. They're working on stretchable micro-LED displays. So they've developed this is an IMID based material that is transparent and flexible, using some of this new connection kind of technology here. It's also a roll transfer process. I guess it's not roll to roll, but it's a roll transfer process. So they developed several prototypes here with some of these pixel values. And over here is the stretchable display. As you can see, it can be deformed very nicely. That's what's nice about the IMID material. This is another example of it over here, kind of concave the other direction. And over here they're demonstrating a little bit different configuration. This is, again, it's transparent, and they use these electrodes to connect it in the roll-to-roll process. So it's a roll process. So the way I understand this works is they have an interposer where they put the micro LEDs or mini LEDs that goes onto this roll transfer process onto the IMID, the IMID, to create this display. Now, this is high transparency at 78%, but it's also fairly low pixel density, 78 or 67 ppi. So to get that up to more practical levels, that we'll have to lose some of that transparency, but that's just an obvious trade-off. And finally, over here is their kind of mini LED, just basically bigger LEDs, but a similar kind of a process here. So that's the story on their research and development.